Hey guys, Devin here. Welcome back. We are on our second Coachmen unit here. This is the Freelander. It's a brand new floor plan this year. Dave, why don't you tell us all about it?
Would love to. Thanks for coming out. Yes, this is our 26MB floor plan. It's something that we kind of derived off of a Sprinter floor plan, that you see popular out there with a big full wall slide. It's just now it's being built on an E450 chassis, so you get more towing, more cargo capacity, and more features and benefits inside. So starting around the outside here, first thing, go ahead, open that door for us. You got the nice 32-inch TV. It's a 12-volt TV, and it does have a built-in sound bar down below there.
Beautiful. And that's connected to the TV on that?
That is connected to the TV, yep, built in. Cool. And you see this big storage compartment. What do you think's in there?
Oh man, that's probably the outdoor kitchen I've been hearing so much about,
It is an awesome outdoor kitchen. It is the outdoor kitchen.
Oh.
So this here, you actually get a nice little drop-down table. You see it's got an adjustable table leg there. You push in the little button, pull it down, get a nice little bistro height table there. And check it out, microwave, mini fridge, cold water, actually hot and cold water sink. And we even give you this nice gray stone griddle that pops out. That can easily be connected to your quick connect there for the LP tank. 68 pounds of LP on board. And yeah, that's a great feature that you normally don't see on a Class C motorhome. And especially seeing all of these appliances built into this outdoor kitchen, it definitely makes it a great feature.
Absolutely.
Tankless hot water heater on the side there. Couple of storage compartments. This one will be for this is your LP tank there. Again, 68 pounds. Some outlets on the back.
Dave, real quick, I don't want to steal your thunder on the
Sure.
inside. Can you tell me what this is?
That is actually for the washer dryer. This coach is equipped with a combination washer and dryer inside. It is vented, so you can just throw in a load of laundry, and a couple hours later, you're going to have some dry laundry washed and dried.
Gotcha. So that's going to be way more efficient than, say, a non-vented dryer.
Correct. Yes, we recently switched to a vented versus a non-vented, so that is definitely an upgrade in my book.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Yeah. Just like the other coach, just like all of my floor plans, I have a big full-length awning with the built-in LED lights. Our awnings all start at the back of the cab and run until we run to the back of the coach, or 21 feet, whichever one comes first.
Oh.
And you can pitch that awning for water runoff, things like that. On the back here, got a couple of LED tail lights, got the nice adjustable backup camera there, as well as side view cameras up front. Big sturdy bumper. And then again, what do you think the towing is on this E450?
Gonna say that's probably another 7,500 pounds,
7,500 pounds, you got it. Yep. This is a 50 amp coach. This is our first realm with a 50 amp coach, so you can see the thicker power cord. It is 50 amp service. You got your outdoor shower right here. Coming on the other side, you've got your city water connection, your satellite connection, things like that. There's your fuel tank fill. There's your black and gray tank connections there. And so this floor plan, as you notice here from the outside, has got a big full wall slide. And what the slide mechanisms that we're using are these slim rail slide systems. So it's an electric motor on each side. You can run those in and out. They self-synchronize. And just make sure you got plenty of power before you run those out. Don't run them out on low batteries. Want to grab that compartment there for me?
Absolutely.
So this is just a nice storage space down below the inside of the coach there, built into the slide out, so you don't have to necessarily bend down and get underneath the slide to access your storage. But we do still have some storage down underneath. So there is a storage compartment there already opened up.
Now that's a watertight compartment, right?
It is, yep. It's a galvanized steel compartment that basically is just something that we've been using for many, many years. And you can fit lots of stuff in there, and it's really sturdy and strong.
Beautiful.
Just like our other motorhome, we do have the CRV Super Spring Ride, which is basically that shackle with the extra helper spring we've added to that. Helps with roll stability, sway control, payload, all those types of things, especially on coaches with slide outs. This is just a storage compartment. Has some of your electronics in there, so you probably wouldn't want to store too much stuff, but we have another similar compartment to that up front. And Devin, do you remember what size generator this 50 amp coach has?
Oh, I want to say that's a 6,000.
It is. That's that MPS 6000 generator, because again, 50 amp coach, you need the power to run that even if you're not plugged in. So it's a Yamaha motor inside. It's got the pull start. If all things you know, don't go well, you can obviously pull start that if the switches don't work. And then also it comes with a key fob where you can start and stop the coach from a remote key fob. That's what's nice about these MPS generators. Take them to any Yamaha dealer to get serviced. Final compartment here on the outside. So you can see that goes all the way back, all the way to the opposite side of the coach. There's not access from the other side, but you know, your fishing poles, your skis, your pool noodles, whatever you want. So just like on my other coach with the Escalade package, you get the power heat remote mirrors, you get the nice wide step for easy entrance and exit into the side of these coaches. You get the side view cameras. Nice molded fiberglass front cap with the LED lights that are new. Gutters on all my coaches, just like your house. The Ford motors are all these 7.3 Godzilla motors, 325 horse, 450 torque, and replace the old Triton V10 that we were so familiar with, but these have been great for us. So wrapping up on the outside, we can go ahead and take a peek inside. If you notice, this coach has a motorized step. Unlike the other coaches that have the step well is built lower. With the design of this coach being 50 amp with the bigger generator, we needed to make this floor a flush floor inside, which you'll find out here in a second. So we did put a powered step on this. You still get the nice screen door for those days that aren't hot and you want to leave the door open, get the breeze. Nice solid entry handle. And on the inside, and coming in here in the entryway, go ahead and flip around for me. Kind of like before, you've got all your controls right here at the entryway. So you got your Bigfoot hydraulic leveling, you got all your slide controls, tank monitors, things like that. 30 amp controller with a 200 watt solar panel on board, tankless hot water heater. Your auto gen start control or your auto gen start trigger is right there. Some entry lights, awning power, things like that, and your main disconnect. All right here, easy to access.
Dave, can you tell me what some of the advantages are with having that 30 amp controller there already?
30 amp controller, you can add more panels. It's expandable.
Okay.
So with a 200 watt panel on there, I can add 2 more panels for a total of 600 watts.
Wow, that's amazing.
And it's just plug and play.
Yeah.
You just order the parts, mount it, and plug it in. All right, here at the entryway, we do give you a nice little entryway cabinet for all your knickknacks, shoes, things like that. Storage above. And then talking about the cab over, kind of like before, one of the industry's largest cab overs, 57 by 95 across. Like I mentioned, this was new for 2024, adding the storage and the cup holders. You do have your cab over cover as far as the exterior cover. This cab, the cab over will pull in place here to give you that full sleeping area. Now, like I mentioned before, this is a flush floor, so you have a larger drop off here. So on this floor plan, we're actually giving you these booster seats, these risers. So that way you can strap those to the seat and it gives you a much more comfortable spot to sit and relax. But both seats will swivel just like we do in most of our floor plans. Swinging over to the dinette. This one's got the U-shaped dinette built in. So it's great. Go ahead and sit across.
Yeah.
Plenty of space. You can play cards, have your dinner, have your romantic nights, right? Cup holders up top. This will convert into a bed. You can take the dinette out, slide that into these cleats here, and then these cushions will fill in to make this into a 6-foot sleeper.
Oh, wow.
Nice big windows. I love how we've done the big windows. Does have the pleated shades. Nice valance, decorative valance across the top there. Looking at the kitchen. This one's equipped with solid surface countertops. So you see you get that nice dark solid surface. We do give you a little countertop extension on this floor plan. Spot for a wastebasket down below. Nice window right over the sink. Again, you get that nice faucet with a pull down sprayer. This is a rectangle undermount sink. When you do get that solid surface, it then goes to an undermount sink versus a drop-in. Deep storage over top of the sink, over top of your cooktop there. Backsplash, it's got the 3-burner cooktop here, and again with the Escalade package, you're getting the air fryer, convection, microwave. And since this is a brand new floor plan, we didn't have to move it down below like we did on our other ones. We've always had it down here. No oven, no traditional oven anymore, but you do got the convection oven, microwave, air fryer. Still running with the 12-volt fridges on all of our floor plans. You can see nice and deep. It's got the glass shelves in it. And just like before, it'll have the fridge disconnect switch where you can actually make sure that that fridge is off when you put it into storage.
That takes care of the parasitic draw.
That will make sure that even if you shut off your disconnect and put it into storage, it's not going to pull off any power, because this will have some form of parasitic draw and it could kill your coach over time. Looking at the wardrobe. You've got a wardrobe here. There's your bed sheets. I like the little shelves that we've added in the back, as well as the hanging space there. You've got 3 deep drawers right down below that. Just like before, all slow close. You got a couple drawers under the dinette here. Nice deep drawers. Plenty of outlets and USBs everywhere. Then as far as stepping back into the bedroom, this is our Murphy bed. Very familiar with this floor plan as far as having the Murphy bed design. We have a beautiful, very long sofa, and decent sitting space for when you compare it to the rest. These do have powered footrests, so if you want a little more comfort, you can put those up. Take the pressure off your legs and have them kick your legs up. TV right across from you. Fireplace, that's always on the checklist, right? That's an option for us. That does put out heat. I don't have the heat on right now because of how much of a scorcher it is today. And then as far as this bed, operating this, you go ahead and you pull off the cushions, tuck those over in the bathroom. Here, let's got
that down.
You got to push in to relieve some of that, pull that down. Then this bed comes down, and this is a king Murphy bed. It's 72 wide by 74 long. Okay, nobody else is running a king bed on this floor plan. Everybody else is going to run a queen. This does have a memory foam mattress and the nice Euro slats down below for comfort. And as you can see, you still get plenty of walk around space throughout the day if you wanted to leave that down. Over the TV, you do have your smart TV here. It does have the Wi-Fi on board. You've got a very deep storage cabinet, and that does have a nice switch there for the light to light that up. Now let's talk about the ACs, because how many amps is this, Coach?
It's a 50 amp service.
50 amp service. So as we know, all of my coaches will have what size AC up front?
You got a 15,000 BTU up front.
Yep.
Yep.
Built-in heat pump.
Built-in heat pumps
That's
as
it.
well. That's
and
important.
it is ducted on this floor plan. And then since this is a 50 amp coach, we're not running an 11.
Okay.
We're going to give you another
15.
dual 15s on this floor plan.
Yeah.
So on a day like today, this coach feels great. Nice and cool, so it doesn't matter if you're heading north or heading south. We'll keep it warm or keep it cool.
Perfect.
So, I love the windows up above, so you can get that ventilation at night. You do have some of the cab over storage above the bed area. Here's a second wardrobe. Go ahead and leave this down. You do have a second wardrobe over here. Just like the other one, you've got his wardrobe there, her wardrobe there, or vice versa. His and hers, his and his, hers and hers, or just use it for whatever. You got the shelves in the back, got the nice wardrobe rod there, and then like I mentioned before when you pointed out outside, this does have a vented combo washer dryer in there for you. So again, you just throw all your clothes in, run your load, and then it'll wash it and then dry it and be ready for you when you need it. So stepping on back into the bathroom, a lot of people love this floor plan for the size of the bathroom, having it back here in the rear. So this is one of the largest showers that we offer. This is a 30 by 36 shower. Again, equipped with the shower miser feature that we mentioned on the other video, the water saver, where you actually circulate the water until it's hot. And you don't waste a single drop of fresh and don't fill your gray tank. Nice raised skylight inside, so you can be over 6 foot, 6'3", and still stand in that. This one is equipped with our roll-up door, which in place of a glass door, it definitely gives you more elbow room without that glass in the way. Then talking about the storage in the bathroom, we do have tons of storage as far as below the sink there. We've got a medicine cabinet up here and then a nice linen closet there as well. All porcelain toilets, so you don't have to worry about those plastic toilets. You got towel hooks, you got your towel hook there. Again, always important, you want to have your AC in your bathroom. That's the benefit of ducted air. So, anything else on this floor plan you can think of?
Oh, I think that's it. And remind me again, which one is this? It's brand new in this year.
Yep, 26MB Murphy bed. This is our 26MB floor plan, and we're real excited about it. I've seen great success with retails, and glad you guys have one of these.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.